What's up, guys? So, unfortunately, and I am so embarrassed to announce that I just blew my funded account. I activated it less than an hour ago, and all my discipline, all my rules, everything went out the window. Price action played with me. It's Friday. You know what I'm saying? And I noticed that a lot of people on Fridays don't trade, and now I see why. Not only did I chase price on my entries, I said I had a bearish bias in my last video. If you go and check that out, we, pretty much played out a few times to the downside, and price just kept playing with me. And I think I oversized. I chased price, like I said, and it just did not work in my favor, because I guess on the funded account you have a different type of psychology. You're eager to get the payout, you're eager for your trades to work. Where I went wrong was actually over leveraging. That's one. Two, I waited for setups that presented themselves, and I'll explain right here. You see, we got a bullish fair value gap that was formed. On the way up, we actually hit the true day range, which is where a good rejection level, and we inversed that gap, which is where I entered one of my first trades. $500 loss, or no, that was about a $600 loss. My second one was right here, and this is where I should have also stuck to my rules. 2 trade minimum, 2 trade losses. I should have been out of the market, but because I lost over $1,200 on these 2 trades, I was like, I cannot afford, to leave it like that, which is a no-no. You know what I'm saying? You take your losses and you walk away. But I was confident that we were going to go down. So we swept the Asia high, which is the level that I was waiting on price to initially sweep. And we inversed that bearish fair value gap. That was a bullish fair value gap, but we inversed that with the purple candles. And then I put my stop loss pretty tight instead of having it over the Asia high. And I got stopped out for another $600 and some. Now, where that red line is pointing to that yellow candle, it was actually purple. I was pretty confident because there was another fair value gap, or no, it broke the lows. At that point, I entered. That was me chasing price. Another $600 gone right there. And I think I took one more trade. I was down about, all I had was about $25 that I can lose on the next trade. And I was looking for an opportunity to catch a down candle, move my stop loss really quickly into profit, and kind of trail. Okay. And I entered on where the green line is. And as you see, it went down quite a ways, but then I actually wasn't even in this trade. I lost on the one of the previous candles, something like that. I forgot. I can't even, my brain is so scrambled right now. I'm so upset, so disappointed in myself. But let me show you that price ended up doing exactly what I was hoping it would do. I just got in on the wrong candle and I blew my fucking account. But you'll see right here, bam, that purple candle right here did exactly what I was hoping I could have got in on, because it went all the way down and took out the London lows, and now we're kind of consolidating. It's probably going to continue to go back down. That's just a retracement, but that one candle in 2 minutes, I could have made my money back plus more, and it just didn't work out that way, guys. So I'm going to take the next week off, kind of regroup. I know that I'm not going to be trading on Fridays any longer, because a lot of people say that price action is crappy on on Fridays, and therefore after this experience I know that it's not something that I want to participate in. I'm very disappointed in myself. I knew better. I should not have had the contract size. I was just trying to make some profits, and it didn't work out. So sorry guys, it's gonna be a little bit longer before I get that payout. This is the journey. This is my journey from unprofitable to profitable. I'm learning. I'm sharing my experience with you guys, and yeah, man, this hurts. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like crawling into my bed, into the fetal position, sucking on my thumb and crying for mama. I'm just joking, guys, but yeah, I guess the journey begins next week after my next paycheck, because I got rent coming up. Gotta get some groceries and stuff like that. So I'll be getting my account again probably next Friday. And when I do that, I will go ahead and start filming again. So be on the lookout for that video. Make sure you guys take advantage of the trading journal down below. Join the Discord and let's rock out together, guys. You will see a difference in the next 3 months. In the next 3 months. Sorry about that, I'm walking up the street. I will be profitable, okay? I will stop making these stupid mistakes, and I will start showing you guys consistent payouts, all right? Mark my words. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not going to let the markets get the best of me. As you see, I blew my account. That's my funded account in less than an hour. Less than an hour, guys. Learn from my mistakes. Do not do what I did. Keep your contract size low. Don't risk too much. I shouldn't have been risking $600 per trade. I was just confident in the move, and you see how that played out. So you live and you learn. I'm gonna keep going. I'm not the worst trader. I'm not the best trader. I'm right in between. I'm close. If I can get funded, I can get a payout. So don't give up, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the other side. Take care. Dang, it's gonna go down. My original bias. All right, guys. Take care.